Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hetal Sanjay Desai, a senior physiotherapist at Helios. Today I am going to demonstrate some exercises for the correction and maintenance of your posture and to avoid the round shouldered posture. So the first exercise that we are going to start is the strengthening exercises for all the muscles around the shoulder. These muscles help to strengthen the muscles so that it can help the shoulder to be into its normal position. So first exercise is the latissimus dorsi strengthening exercises. For these exercises, we will be needing a TheraBand. This TheraBand can be or is available in variety of colors and resistance. So to start with, we will always use a yellow or red TheraBand. So today I will be showing you the exercises with the red TheraBand. So for these exercises, we will be tying the TheraBand over the height which is above your head level. Now we will be standing in this position, straight in the front, in such a way that whenever we are holding this TheraBand, it should be in a straight line with your hand, elbow and shoulder. Now you slowly have to take it down in such a way that whenever you are taking it back, you should have a stretch or the pack over your back muscles. Keep in mind that whenever you are doing these exercises, you have to breathe normally and do not hold the exercise, the breath during the exercises. Now release it slowly. Again, take it back. Hold this position for a few seconds and take it back. Make sure that whenever you are doing these exercises, you are not taking your shoulders up or down or outside. So now the last one repetition, taking it down, holding this position and taking it up slowly. So whenever you are doing these exercises, make sure that you are performing this movement very slowly. Okay, so the next exercise we are going to see is the strengthening of your shoulder retraction muscles. These are the muscles which are present over the back side of the shoulder and which also helps you to maintain your shoulder in your normal position. Now the movement that we are going to do it with the TheraBand is what I am going to demonstrate you first, and then we will be performing it over the TheraBand exercises. So the first and the very important movement is you have to take your shoulders back in such a way that the muscles which are present over here get squeezed and you feel a pinching experience when you perform this exercise. So the normal exercise that the movement is, we have to take the shoulders back, hold this position for a few seconds and release it. So this is the exercise that will help you to strengthen your retractor muscles. So now we will be performing this exercise with the TheraBand. So now whenever you are doing this exercises, that the TheraBand is at your level of your shoulder. Make sure that whenever you are squeezing your muscles or performing that action, your shoulders should get back into the posterior side, that is backwards. Hold this position for a few seconds and release it slowly in such a way that you are not jerking the movement. Again, when you are performing this movement, make sure that you are breathing normally and don't hold your breath at all. Also, whenever you are doing these exercises, make sure that you are not lifting your shoulders up and outside so that it can activate the other muscles. So this movement should not be done. The ideal movement is to just take the shoulders back, hold this position for a few seconds and take it up. Breathing should be normal and relax. So this was the exercise for the shoulder retraction muscles. Now we will go to the next exercise for the next muscle. So our next exercise is for the shoulder strengthening again. So in this position or in this exercises, your starting position will be your hand stretched out in such a way that it's at your shoulder level. The hand, elbow and the shoulder should be in a line. Now you have to make sure that you have to stretch it outside as much as you can. Hold this position for a few seconds and take it back. While performing this movement, make sure that you are not doing this movement in a jerky way. So slowly take it as much as you can. Your breathing should be normal. Hold this position for a few seconds and take it back. Now this exercise will help you to strengthen your shoulder back muscles of upper back. Take this out, breathe normally and back. So our next exercise will be again for the shoulder strengthening exercise. So this is the exercise for strengthening of your posterior deltoid muscle. So the starting position for this exercise will be standing position, and make sure that you keep your TheraBand below your feet so as to anchor it, and while doing the exercises it won't loosen it up. Grab it over your hand, look straight and move this up and down. Make sure that whenever you are doing this movement or the exercises, your shoulder should be in an alignment and only your elbow and your hand are taking it up and down like a pumping action. So our next exercise is the stretching for the pectoralis muscle. Now this stretching will be done in two ways. That means the positioning for this muscle stretching will be done in two ways. One is the V shape, in which you have to keep your hands straight upward without your elbow bending, and the next one is the 90-90 position, in which your shoulder and your elbow will be at the 90 degree. So first we will start with the first positioning. So in this you will need the door frame. You have to stand in such a way that you are grabbing the door frame. Your one leg should be forward and you just have to push your body weight forward in such a way that you get a stretch over your anterior or the forward muscles of your neck and shoulder. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Do your normal breathing and relax. Again, make sure that whenever you are doing the stretching, the elbows should not flex. And relax. So this exercise is done first in the position of V shape, and the next one is with the 90-90 degree position of your shoulder and elbow. So again, grab the the frames of your toe. Keep your leg positions in the forward. Again, now move your body weight forward. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Take your breathing normal and relax. So these exercises can be done at home very easily. So be safe, be home.